Welcome back. Well, the market, of course, has taken a bit of a dip from being up. We're down about 45 points, but nothing major at all, as I've been saying, 24,900. Let's focus on commodities then, what's happening in that part of the markets. Manisha is here, as always, to tell us. Manisha, morning.
Morning, and thank you for that, Prashant. It's the metals that I'm keeping an eye on, and we haven't seen good gains or positivity come on in last week or 10 days there. Well, actually, when you look at metals like aluminum and zinc, they're trading in the negative for 2025. Aluminum in Asian markets right now has extended declines further. It is down by 4.5% for the year now. Remember, the aluminum prices did go to 9-month highs in the month of Feb. That is when the US had announced 25% of tariffs. But since then, we've seen a steady decline coming in for the prices there. The reason is a surge in available stocks on LME there. We have seen very big gain onto that one. And 343,000 tons of LME aluminum stocks are at this point in time. Also, when you look at the speculative positions when it comes to aluminum, the net shorts are the highest since July 2024, and we also have seen winding up of long positions for aluminum. So not too many money managers believing that the aluminum prices can go higher from here, at least in the near term there. And then you're dealing with a very weak Chinese data as well. All the numbers that we've seen in the last 24 hours, whether it's factory activity, retail, sales or fixed income investment, all of those numbers have come in lesser than what the street was anticipating. If you look at the overall global demand, well, that also has been revised to a lower side to just about 1% on an year-on-year basis. Estimated surplus for this year in sense of aluminum is counted at around 200,000 tons. So everywhere that you look, whether it's about mining, position holding, inventories or demand, does seem on the weaker side. Also remember that the auto sector consumes nearly 25% of global aluminum demand, and auto sector also has been on a weaker side in various countries, and that continues to weigh in as well. And then it's about China, where we are looking at the major production and consumption. Here as well, the Jan to April output gained up by 3.4%, and 14.8 million tons is what we are looking at. Anyways, when you look at Chinese aluminum production for 2024, that was a record 45 million tons. And for this year as well, so even as China is not producing so much aluminum in the country, but offshore and overseas capacities have been increasing. Alumina shortage, which we saw last couple of years, also seems to be easing. So you are looking at higher refining, higher production, higher mining as well. All of those factors continue to weigh in case of aluminum. When you talk about the outlook going forward, well, that's quite a mixed view, really. JP Morgan has come out with the latest report suggesting that you could be looking at prices going down from here. So currently, aluminum is trading at $2,500 a ton, which could go down to $2,200. Goldman Sachs talks about $2,000 here. Bank of America is yet to change their report, but what came in the earlier part of this year was $2,800, and aluminum prices currently are far away from that.
All right, Manisha, thank you very much for that. That's a commodities update, as always.